Hello, I'm Dalton Charters, and this is my project, Does Reaction Speed Decrease Over Time?
Can you summarize your project for us?
So first, I broke off my project into 3 groups, 13, 30 plus, and 65 plus. What I did is I took all 3 groups and I had them do one cycle of humanbenchmark.com. What Human Benchmark is a website where you wait until the screen turns green. As soon as it turns green, you click as fast as possible and it gives you your score in milliseconds. Each cycle is 5 turns, so you will click 5 times and it will give you the score. After that, I calculated my mean and median and I used those to use my results. I found out that each group, as it aged, decreased by 30 milliseconds.
Where did you get the idea for your project?
I got the idea from the project because I love sports and video games, which both require high reaction speeds. I noticed that people, and especially my friends with lower reaction speeds, were having a lot harder times playing the games because it would be a lot harder for them to do simpler tasks that require high reaction speed. And I thought it would be very interesting if I could see if age really affects your reaction speed.
What difficulties did you encounter doing this project?
Some of the main difficulties that I encountered was COVID. COVID was a big problem because I wasn't able to test everyone in person, which would have been nice if I could use my computer to test all participants. The average computer has 10 to 30 milliseconds bias, but it can vary between computers. The problem with that being is someone could have a laggy laptop, or they could misclick and it could ruin a score. If I was to be able to use a computer, I could have had perfect scores for everyone.
So how did you overcome these difficulties?
I overcame these difficulties by asking participants to do all 5 tests on the same device. This wouldn't eliminate all the bias, but it would make it so that one computer from another wouldn't vary, and you would have one computer giving you strong data.
And what did you enjoy about doing this project?
The main thing that I enjoyed about doing this project was finding out the reaction speeds of different people. I thought it was just generally interesting to see the higher the reaction speed, the lower the age. And I thought it would be really cool to just imagine what it would be like for some of these people with very low reaction speeds to try different sports, and imagining how hard it would be for them to do simple activities. Even just driving a car would be a lot harder for them.
Where did you do this project and what supports did you get?
I did this project at home and the only supports I had was from my teacher.
What would be the next steps if you were to continue this project in greater depth?
If I were to continue this project, I would first start off with doing hand-eye coordination in different parts of the hand with different activities, such as A, catching a baseball, say from different angles, or B, hitting points across the screen. So instead of just clicking your reaction speed, you would see how fast you would be able to click different points on the screen. Thank you for listening and taking the time out of your day to listen to my speech.